Hey, what's going on, everybody? So check it out. I got a little mod or accessory. Well, you know what? I wouldn't really say mod or accessory because it's neither one of those, but it's a change up. So I got something I want to show y'all. It's real simple. It's an easy install, and it'll make your life a little bit better. It might just change your life. So let me show you what I got. So if you notice, I got the trail door on the back and the regular door on the front. I had trail doors all the way around. Some days I ride with the doors off. It just depends on what my mood is. But anyway, I had them all there, but I put these back on because I want to show you all what we're working with. Now, I know some of you, especially if you got a JK, and if you're one of those people that you never take your doors off or you rarely take your doors off, sometimes when you try to lift up on it, it doesn't want to come out right. It gets all hung up in there, and you know you got those metal bushings that are down in there where the door bolt goes into, right? Well, I'm on the internet doing a little surfing, and I found something that, just might help some of y'all out. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to show you both of the doors, how they open, and I will show you what would happen if you were having an issue where the door was stuck, and then I'll show you what I did to fix that. Hold on. So let me show you what I got. Swing, right? Mine swings easy. Take my doors off all the time. I mean, they've been off for like almost a week now, so take that off. Now here's the clock door. Like I said, mine swings easy. But I notice a lot of you, especially when you got these JKs that you haven't taken them off in so long, you're doing this. And then you see people posting about they can't get them out because they're stuck down in there. Sometimes it's something simple like it's a piece of plastic or something stuck down in there and you can't get it out. Like I had to help someone take the doors off their JK once, and there was a piece of plastic stuck down in there, and that was creating the problem. So we kind of had to knock it out. But you see, doing this, I've seen people in the bottom of the door with a jack and beating on it with a block of wood and a hammer and all that. Well, to get it out, you got to do what you got to do. But once you get it out, I found something on the internet that will help some people out. You won't have that future issue. So check this out. Let me take the door off first. Take the door pin off. See how easy mine comes out? More to the story is take your doors off more often. Anyway, so this is what we're gonna do. Now order these things. All it is plastic inserts instead of the metal ones. You order these things, I think I paid like 16 bucks for them. And they come with this punch out tool. Watch this. Be careful, don't hit your paint there. Take them out. Now something that I did that you really don't have to do, but I just noticed that there was a lot of dirt down in there from me off-roading all the time. I mean, this is not even a step you have to do, it's just me. All right, take these, you pretty much almost stick them back in there. Almost get them like that one went all the way down. One on the other side I had to use the tool for. Oh, well, there you go. Go up front. slide back in so easy. And there you go. Seems like there's a little less resistance, but I didn't put them in there for that. Just want to try something new out. So if you got a JK, I think from like 2012 and up, and you're having a problem with that, or if you think your bushings are worn out, which I take mine out pretty regularly, like I said earlier, mine probably a couple of them had a little bit of damage and me beating them up. Take them out, put those in, 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, you can have them all in. I mean, it takes longer to get the doors off and put them back on than it does to actually remove the old ones and then put the new ones in. So if any of y'all having a problem, get them, check it out, and see and make it happen. So that's my thing for today. Y'all go change your life. Peace out. There you go.